Hello, in this video I will be showing how I create the front drive shaft piece of this mini RC chassis. This is what I consider to be the hardest part of this project, which is why I choose to start the build series video from here. The STL files and full part list will be available on Thingiverse, link in description. And before we started, I would like to urge you to be careful when operating tools and wear appropriate safety gears. I used Dremel tool to get a little head start on making the notch on the 1.2mm steel rod. This is not necessary and you can achieve the same result with a steel file. Same goes with the 2mm X shaft. Now I drill a 2mm hole on the 4mm bead. I use a series of drill bits to make it easier to achieve since the round shape is hard to hold onto. Insert the bead into the jig to drill on both ends. Make sure it is drilled through. Take the parts that were previously made and assemble them. Apply instant glue and make sure it seeps into the gap to form a strong bond. Insert a drill bit to help position the 5mm copper pipe. Mark the position to make sure it doesn't move during drilling. Move the copper tube forward and lock it in place with a drill bit. Please do not follow me on this part. Clamp the jig down properly and use a proper hacksaw. I do not have the right tools, which is why I do it in this rather dangerous way. Take a steel nail file that will fit between the gap and smooth up the surface. Cut the copper pipe to the right length. Place it into the jig and the length should match properly. Drill one more hole and insert this printed part. Place the shaft retainer and apply instant glue. Remove excessive plastic with a cutting knife. Now we have the front drive shaft finished. Please make 2 sets of these for this project. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.